So, financial health at saka financial shock. So, yung financial health is manage expenses, minimal debt, prepare and recover from financial shock. So, yun yung financial health. So, baga, manage mo yung expenses mo, nagbibuild ka ng wealth, at saka nakaka-recover ka at napaghahandaan mo yung financial shock. Yung financial shock naman, yun naman yung unexpected disturbance of the financial sector that affects the economy. So, hindi lang yung mga economists ang may alam nito. I mean, this is yung sinasabi nating general things na dapat alam natin. No, kasi ito yung usually naririnig natin sa news na sa news online, sa TV, sa radyo. Ito yung mga lumalabas, itong about sa business, diba? Financial health at saka financial shock. So, mas mabuti nang nalalaman natin to, yung pinaka-meaning nito. So, yun lang po.